Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we start, hit like and subscribe. It's easier than finding an open shop on a Sunday in Germany, and that's saying something. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started. Question number 61. Why must you drive with particular caution here? Because the roadway is slippery. True. Slippery roads require careful driving to maintain control. Because the view is obscured by the bend. True. Limited visibility around bends necessitates extra caution. Because the roadway is made narrower by the wrongly parked car. True. The narrow lane and obstruction demand careful manoeuvring. Question number 62. Where must you be prepared to encounter sudden fog? In marshy areas. True. Fog is common in marshy regions. Near lakes. True. Proximity to lakes increases the likelihood of encountering fog. Near rivers. True. River areas are prone to sudden fog formation. Question number 63. What do you do if visibility is drastically reduced by fog? Adapt your speed in time to visibility conditions. True. Speed adjustments are necessary for safety in reduced visibility. Increase the distance from the vehicle in front. True. Increasing following distance provides more reaction time. Drive up close to the vehicle in front so you can use its rear lights as an orientation point. False. Following too closely can be dangerous, especially in fog. Question number 64. What is the right course of action here? I brake carefully. True. Careful braking is required to ensure pedestrian safety. I allow the pedestrian on the right to cross the road. True. Yielding to pedestrians at crossings is mandatory. I carefully continue driving because there are no markings visible on the road. False. The absence of visible markings does not negate the need to yield to pedestrians. Question number 65. Why do you have to pay particular attention here? Because it is not clear which direction the road will take. True. Unclear road directions necessitate careful driving. Because the road surface is uneven. True. Uneven surfaces can pose driving challenges. Because oncoming traffic could cut the corner. True. Stay vigilant for oncoming vehicles that might encroach on your lane. Question number 66. Why might taking the right turn be dangerous here? Because I might possibly not be able to stop in time if pedestrians are crossing the side street. True. The icy road increases the risk of not stopping in time for pedestrians. Because vehicles emerging from the side street could start to skid. True. Be cautious of vehicles that may skid from the side street. Because my vehicle might start to skid if I take the turn too fast. True. Taking the turn too fast on an icy road could cause your vehicle to skid. Question number 67. What is the correct course of action in this situation? I avoid jerky steering movements. True. Smooth steering is crucial on potentially slippery roads. I brake hard while in the bend. False. Hard braking in a bend, especially on a slippery surface, is dangerous. I reduce my speed. True. Reducing speed is essential for safely navigating through the bend. Question number 68. While driving, it suddenly begins to rain heavily. What should you do? I avoid strong acceleration. True. Avoiding strong acceleration helps maintain control on wet roads. I reduce the safety distance to the vehicle ahead. False. Increasing, not decreasing. The safety distance is necessary in heavy rain. I reduce my speed. True. Reducing speed is crucial to manage the decreased visibility and slippery conditions. Question number 69. What must you do in this situation when you are dazzled? Look to the right-hand edge of the roadway. See. True. Looking to the right helps avoid being blinded by oncoming lights. If necessary, reduce your speed. True. Reducing speed can help manage the temporary loss of clear vision. Accelerate to get out of the beam of light more quickly. False. Accelerating can be dangerous and doesn't effectively address the dazzling. Question number 70. What must you be aware of here? That the traffic lights are hardly distinct from the coloured signs. True. Distinguishing traffic lights from other lights requires extra focus. That your vehicle will not be seen in time. True. The bright lights may obscure the visibility of your vehicle. That you only detect oncoming vehicles after it is too late. True. The distraction of lights can delay noticing oncoming traffic. Question number 71. Why might driving along this road become dangerous? Because oncoming vehicles will only be detected very late. False. This is not the primary hazard in this situation. Because persons on the road can be easily overlooked. True. Poor street lighting increases the risk of not seeing pedestrians. Because poorly lit vehicles can be difficult to detect. True. Vehicles without proper lighting are harder to spot, especially in poorly lit areas. Question number 72. What must you watch out for when you drive into an underground car park? Pedestrians frequently walk on vehicle lanes. True. Be cautious of pedestrians using the same space as vehicles. My tyres could get damaged by narrow entrances and exits. True. Narrow passages can pose a risk to your vehicle's tyres. My eyes need to adjust to the change in lighting conditions. True. Adjusting to the darker environment is necessary for safe navigation. Question number 73. What should you do in this kind of visibility? I keep towards the right-hand edge of the carriageway. True. Staying to the right helps maintain a safe lane position. I switch on my main beam lights. False. Main beam lights may not be appropriate in all visibility conditions. I reduce my speed. True. Slowing down is essential for safe driving in reduced visibility. Question number 74. Where does driving fast often lead to accidents? At crossroads and junctions. True. High speeds at intersections increase accident risk. At pedestrian crossings. True. Excessive speed near pedestrian crossings is particularly dangerous. On bends. True. Speeding on bends can lead to loss of vehicle control. Question number 75. Where is fast driving particularly dangerous? At road narrowings. True. High speeds in narrowed areas increase collision risks. At level crossings. True. Fast driving at level crossings can lead to accidents, especially on uneven surfaces. At blind corners. True. Speeding in areas with limited visibility like blind corners is risky. Question number 76. How do you take tight bends? Reduce speed before reaching the bend. True. It's safer to slow down before entering a tight bend to maintain control. Only accelerate again when the road straightens out. True. Wait until the road straightens before accelerating to avoid skidding. Reduce speed only when you reach the center of the bend. False. It's risky to start slowing down in the middle of a bend. Question number 77. What must you be aware of? Pedestrians could cross the road. True. Stay alert for pedestrians that may cross unexpectedly. I may drive past the bus at walking speed. True. Pass the bus cautiously at a slow pace to ensure safety. I may not drive past the bus. False. You can pass, but but do so at a very slow speed for safety. Question number 78. What do you have to be aware of in this situation? I look out for people who could walk onto the road. True. Watch for pedestrians who might enter the road. I may only pass the bus at walking speed. True. Passing the bus is only safe at a very slow speed. I may not drive past the bus. False. You are allowed to pass, but with extreme caution. Question number 79. What must you be aware of here? Of vehicles speeding. True. Stay cautious of vehicles that might be speeding. That junctions will not be noticed. True. Be alert as junctions may not be easily visible. That children may run onto the road. True. Keep an eye out for children who may enter the road. Question number 80. Is it irresponsible to overtake a truck and trailer a short distance before a crossroads? Yes, because the truck and trailer can obscure the view of important traffic signs. True. Overtaking in such situations can obstruct your view of vital signs. Yes, because the truck and trailer can obscure the view of the crossing traffic. True. The truck's size may block your view of oncoming traffic. No, because trucks and trailers mostly drive at low speed. False. The truck's speed does not justify unsafe overtaking near crossroads.